Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about our new topic cell receptors and types of cell receptors. Cell receptors are specialized protein that are located on the surface or inside of cell and are responsible for detecting and responding to various chemical signals in the body. These signals can include hormones, neurotransmitters, growth factors, and other signaling molecules that are important for regulating cellular processes such as metabolism, growth, differentiation, and communication. There are several types of cell receptors, each with their own unique structure and function. Some of the most common types of cell receptors includes G protein coupled receptors. These are the largest and most diverse family of cell receptors with over 800 members in humans alone. G protein coupled receptors are involved in wide range of physiological processes including sensory perception, hormone regulation, and neurotransmitter signaling. They work by binding to specific ligands on the outside of the cell which activates the series of intracellular signaling pathways through the activation of G protein. Second, ligand gated ion channel. These are receptors involved in the rapid transmission of signal across nerve cells and muscle fiber. They work by binding to specific ligands such as neurotransmitter or hormones, which causes the receptor to open and allow the flow of ions across the cell membrane. This results in rapid change in the electrical potential of the cell, which can trigger an action potential and lead to the release of neurotransmitter or muscle contraction. Third, enzyme-linked receptors. These receptors are involved in regulating cell growth, differentiation, and survival. They work by binding to specific ligand which activates an intracellular enzyme domain that can phosphorylate other proteins and initiate a signaling cascade. Example of enzyme-linked receptors include receptors of tyrosine kinase and cytokine receptor. Fourth, nuclear receptors. These receptors are located inside the cell nucleus and are involved in regulating gene expression. They work by binding to specific ligand such as hormones or other signaling molecule, which causes the receptor to bind specific DNA sequences and activate or repress gene transcription. Example of nuclear receptors include steroid hormone receptors and thyroid hormone receptors. Fifth, integrin receptors. These receptors are involved in cell adhesion and migration as well as signaling pathways that regulate cell growth and survival. They work by binding to specific extracellular matrix protein which can activate intracellular signaling pathway through the cytoskeleton and other proteins. Overall, cell receptors play a crucial role in regulating cellular processes and maintaining homeostasis in the body. Dysfunction or dysregulation of cell receptors can lead to wide range of disease and disorders, including cancer, diabetes, neurological disorders. Therefore, understanding the structure and functions of cell receptors is essential for developing new therapies and treatments of these conditions. Thank you.